good day. It's a good thing. What a good thing.
Hey, what up, good thing family? We're at the beach. So, what up, good thing family? We're at the beach enjoying our summer. What up, good thing family? So we're at the beach, and apparently it's an attack of the seagulls because they ate our Cheez-Its. That's not what. Oh. Look at that.
You better back up.
Yo, these seagulls are gonna attack me. They're like What up, good thing family? So we are still at the beach, and as you can see, it's still attack of the seagulls. It's good thing family versus the seagulls. So yeah, we're just out here trying to. Yo, they ran us for all our Cheez-Its. All our Cheez-Its. Followed us. Came after. They still circling. They still circling like the haters. But it's all good. Good thing fam here. We already got a fan club, y'all. Look at our fan club. The seagulls. But yeah, we just gonna finish enjoying our day, y'all. Seagulls ate. We got our Cheez-Its. I know those seagulls are reckless. These seagulls are real reckless out here. I don't know what was going on, but they ate our whole box. We had a family size box, y'all. It's gone. I don't even see the box. Get out of here. You see that, y'all? He just splashed me with water. But anyways, yeah, these seagulls are out here being mad reckless. They're out here trying to run game. Make sure you guys like,
subscribe, and don't forget our notification bell.
What he said. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. It's always what? A good thing. It's always a good thing. Always.
It's a good thing.
Until you get attacked by seagulls. But even then, it's still a good thing. All right, bye, good